everyone, welcome to Biscayne Hall. My name is Casey Rumspecker and I'm a resident director here in South Village. Today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom single floor plan suite, which we have available in Biscayne, Everglades, and Palmetto Hall. Follow me. The hallways where our residential students live are locked 24/7 as a safety precaution, so don't forget your Eagle ID. So let's take a look at one of our 2-bedroom suites. Come with me. When you walk into the suite, you're going to notice a foyer area. You'll also notice that the bathroom is split in this layout. So on one side, you're going to have the sink, the shower, and a medicine cabinet. And on the other side, you'll have the toilet, sink, and medicine cabinet. There is a lot of storage space available for you to put your toiletries and to share that space with your roommates. Something also to note is the fact that we have an AC handler in the room that you can actually adjust the temperature as needed. So let's check out a bedroom. The first thing I want to show you is our twin XL bed, which is height adjustable. We also provide you a nightstand, a desk chair, and a dresser. You will also get to see a large closet with 2 separate shelves so you can hang all of your clothes. Residents are also encouraged to decorate their suite and bedroom spaces to make it feel more like home, as long as they're following the rules in our community guidebook. Thanks so much for coming on this tour with me. I hope you learned a lot about FGCU housing. We're looking forward to seeing you in the fall. If you have any questions or need additional information about our floor plans, please check out our website. Don't forget to follow us on social media in order to stay up to date on what residents are doing and how they're living that FGCU life. Bye!